Yes, it is as good as it looks. And if your mouths are watering, then it means that you need to try it. So let me show you how to make this recipe. I am AJ from Savory Thoughts, sharing with you this delicious lemon tart recipe. So for starters, what you're gonna need is your breadcrumbs. It can either be from plain breadcrumbs or graham cracker crumbs. Now make sure that you mix the mixture really well and then place that mixture into a tart pan. Use parchment paper in the pan to make it easier to remove after baking. But you may also need to cut the parchment paper just to make sure that it fits correctly into your tart pan. Add the mixture into the pan and make sure that you mold it so it pretty much forms as if part of the pan. Then place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Alright, so while that is baking, let's go ahead and start the filling. Get your eggs ready, add salt and vanilla extract, whisk it, and set it aside. In another bowl, go ahead and add your cornstarch and creamer. Mix it well until the cornstarch has dissolved completely. Now, over a low heat in a saucepan, go ahead and whisk butter to avoid burning. And I mean low heat because you are not trying to cook the eggs. Go ahead and add the eggs mixture while you continue to whisk it. Do not stop whisking. And while you continue to whisk, go ahead and add your cornstarch mixture, your sugar, lemon juice, and turmeric. And now this is where the speed increases. Continue to whisk vigorously. Now, pay attention as you are doing this. Just in case the mixture becomes too hot, remove it from the fire. Because remember, like I said before, we are not trying to cook the eggs. The mixture will start to form and it will become thick. When it becomes thick, remove it from the fire, pour the mixture into the tart pan and bake it for an additional 10 minutes. Now come and take a close look. This is that smooth consistency that you are looking for. While your tart is baking, let's go ahead and make this into a masterpiece by elevating it with your decoration, edible decoration. In a small skillet, go ahead and add your butter over a medium-low heat, then add your cinnamon and sugar. Next, add your lemon slices and mix well. Cook it for about 5 minutes or until it starts to bubble. What you are doing right now is making candied lemon for your tart. Now, once your tart is completely done, allow it to cool before you start decorating it. You can use whatever fruits that you want to decorate it with. And of course, don't forget your candied lemons. Alright folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. You can find step-by-step recipe at savorythoughts.com on our website, so please visit our website. Use this video as a means to guide you through the process. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know how you made this dish and how much you enjoyed it, and we'll see you for the next one. We are coming out with some more tart videos. Stay tuned for a chocolate tart.